Do you know what it takes to clear UPSC Civil Services examination? It is not the game of just prelims, mains, and interview. Hundreds of factors are at stake, and you have to balance all of them. In prelims, you have to balance CSAT and GS. In GS, you have to balance all the subjects. In CSAT, you have to balance Quant and RC. In mains, you have to not only focus on all seven paper but the qualifying paper. In interview, your personality, your way of talking, and your way of representation, everything matters. So hundreds of factors, if you are able to balance, you will clear this examination, else the cycle repeats itself. And to make sure that you balance all these factors in your important 2027 attempt, I have come up with Karma Yoga 2027. Hello everyone, I am Pallavi Sangre, All India Rank 452 UPSC CSE 2022. I am a full-time mentor and educator for civil services aspirant. I have included all my experience of clearing 7 prelims, mains 2 times and interview in 2022 in this Karma Yoga batch, which is a mentorship, companionship and personalized guidance batch for 2027 aspirants. I have included not only the prelims, the mains, and the interview stages, but the test series, the PYQs, the current affairs, the answer writing, the PYQ solving, the MCQ solving, each and every aspect which is required to be balanced in order to clear this examination in this batch. I have made a detailed PDF of schedule and structure of this batch, which I have uploaded on my Telegram channel. Please do visit and join this Telegram channel because I share all my notes and strategy over that. So let us watch this session in which I have explained every feature of this batch. Also do watch the question and answer by students so that your doubts will get solved. If you have any query for this batch, you can definitely contact coordinator, or if you want to discuss things with me before taking admission, you can definitely reach out to me with the help of coordinator. Let us do today's session. So today we have gathered here for 2027 one-year batch orientation program. I will quickly run you through the batch features. I will also tell you what is the purpose behind this program, what is my thought process behind it. I will also tell you my little bit of introduction because many of you know me, but those who do not know me, उनके लिए I will just give my introduction. ठीक है? So what we can do, I will just start my screen share. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Okay, we will talk on Telegram, right? Once. Okay, so I'm sharing my screen and I'm displaying the PPT. Yes, visible? Yes, okay, okay. Can you read what is written here? Can you read? Okay, believe in yourself. You are braver than you think, more talented than you know, and capable of more than you imagine. ठीक है, this I am not telling for the sake of telling, or this I am not telling so that you feel motivated enough है ना to do the preparation and all. I am telling this as a fact. This is a fact. The only challenge is we do not believe in this. We in the sense I believe, ठीक है, but I, when I was an aspirant, I was not believing in it. The day I believed in all these things, I cleared this examination. ठीक है, so please let us start this today's session with this fact that you are braver than you think. You have all the courage to take the challenges head on. You are talented than you know. Do not underestimate yourself that you don't know anything. This is your first attempt, or this is your fourth attempt, and you have done everything, but nothing is working. I am not talented. Don't do all these things, okay? And you are capable of more than you imagine. Maybe you are studying only for 3 4 hours. You are capable of doing 10 12 16 hours of rigorous quality study, trust me. Okay, so this batch is about all these things, making you more braver, making you are talented only, but more smart work, more hard work, and make you expanding your capabilities than you imagine. Whatever you are imagining right now, उससे ज़्यादा expand होगा. ठीक है, okay, this batch is named as Karma Yoga because I truly believe that only this path can lead you to the moksha. ठीक है, मोक्ष मिलने के देर आर सो मेनी पाथ्स, भक्ति मार्ग, ज्ञान मार्ग, ऑल दिस थिंग्स, राइट? बट कर्म योग इज समथिंग विच इज रिक्वायर्ड टू क्लियर दिस एग्जामिनेशन. You have to do 200%, 500% of your karma without any expectations, and the result will be a byproduct. ठीक है, so I truly believe in this, and I feel that if anyone of you is following by heart this batch, the schedule, whatever I am telling, it is very very high chance to clear this examination. This is proven by the selected candidates for last 1 year. ठीक है. Okay, so this is not just mentorship. Many of you might be thinking that this is just a mentorship. This is not just mentorship. On top of it, it is companionship. I will be there to handhold you on daily basis. I will not tell you how do this and then forget for 1 week. No. Okay? So I have restructured this batch to a whole new approach, and I will be there for you on daily basis. It will be a personalized support batch. I do not offer a personal mentorship. Personal mentorship means that students will come to me and they will tell me, ma'am, I'm doing this, what should I do? I truly believe there are scientifically proven methods. If somebody is following those methods, that person can get a very high chance to clear this examination. And I know those methods. Some of the methods I know because I have cleared, I have done so many trials and errors. I have so many experiments at my background, right? So due to all these things, I know certain formulas, I know certain way of study, and I have poured all these things into this batch. And I feel if you follow it, you will get it. But while following it, it is not easy. Na? I will tell you formula A plus B plus C is equal to this. Then you are following it. It is not easy. In this exam process, it will be very, very challenging. You will get so many doubts. You will, even if you have schedule, even if you have targets, everything, you may not be able to do it, whatever is the reason. So I will be giving you personalized support. Whatever doubts you are asking me, whatever queries you are asking me, whatever things you are feeling, or whatever situations you are undergoing, if you are telling me all these things, if you are asking me my help, I will be there. Okay, throughout. Even if you enroll for the smallest batch that I conduct, that is 10 sessions LTP batch, PYQ, logical thinking patterns batch, hardly 1000 rupees batch, and only 10 sessions. Even if you are enrolling into that batch, you are getting my personal assistance and support, whatever your queries are there. ठीक है, सो उस बैच के लिए कर सकती हूँ. सो व्हाई नॉट फॉर कर्मयोग विच इज 1 year long बैच. ठीक है, सो बी अश्योर्ड दैट दिस इज नॉट जस्ट मेंटरशिप, इट इज कंपेनियनशिप and it is personalized support batch. ठीक है, okay. So just a small introduction from my side, right? I am a BTech mechanical engineer from VGTI Mumbai. I am masters in public health from Tata Institute of Social Science Mumbai. In my work experience, I have worked as a Chief Minister Fellow for Government of Maharashtra for Dharashiv Collector Office. And I have also worked as Health and Wellness Officer for Tata Electronics, which is in Hosur, Tamil Nadu. I have also worked as Karta Initiative, which is incubated by Tata Trust for Eklavya Model Residential Schools. I have so many other work profile, but for now, I am just limiting myself here. Right now, I am not into any government service. Please remove this thought from your mind so that we have that trust with each other that I am not doing parallel job, right? I am full-time mentor and educator for UPSC Civil Services Examination Aspirant. Okay, this is my only job right now. Okay, so I have done various certification. I am an emotional intelligence coach. I'm very interested in yogic practices and I follow all of them. I have done so many courses related to this. In my UPSC background, I have cleared prelims 7 times, CSAT every time, and I have also cleared IFOS cutoffs in prelims. I have cleared mains in 2020 and 2022. In interview in 2022, I scored one of the highest marks, and I got selected in 2022. And I have secured all India rank 452 in CSE 2022. This is my short background. Why I am telling all these things? Not to boast my background or not to tell you what all I have done, but just to make sure that you think and you believe that you are going to be in safe hands, right? With all this experience from government sector, private sector, in UPSC, I just want to tell you that with all this experience, I am going to guide you and you will be in the safest hand and genuine hands. Okay? Okay. Now, this is my very favorite quote, and I tell this at the start of every batch. I really do not believe that if you just follow somebody, if you just read somebody's notes, if you just mug up something, and if you are just doing half-hearted study, you will be able to clear this examination. I feel there are some skills which are needed to clear this examination, and those skills can be developed by anyone, and my job is to make sure that you are developing those skills. I'm not here to do spoon feeding. I'm not here to run my profit oriented coaching business. Have you seen that I have lots of team and everything? No, I am a single person who is handling everything. Who, whatever course feature I'm going to tell you, I am doing it myself, and all the batches I do it myself. Okay, so my single motto right now is I have lots of experience, I have so many skills in UPSC, and I want you to get those from me. Okay, and of course monetary thing is a byproduct of all this process due to my time, energy and effort, and due to our engagement. Okay, definitely. Okay, now give a man a fish and you feed him for a day. Teach a man how to fish and you feed him for lifetime. ठीक है, so if I give you something ready made, if I just tell you to do this, you will be surviving for 1 or 2 days, right? But if I teach you how to fish, if I teach you how to clear this examination, if I teach you how to make notes, if I teach you how to read current affairs, if I teach you how to cover a subject, if I teach you how to solve PYQ, if I teach you how to write an answer, if I teach you how to do current affairs coverage, if I teach you how to revise, if I teach you how to stay motivated and positive and balance the study and stress and everything, you will be feeding yourself for lifetime. That means you are getting a rank, you are going to get selected, and you will be on your own for lifetime. So my job is to teach you how to fish, to teach you to do how you can do all these things. Understanding everybody? And I truly believe in this. In my every batch, if you get a review from anyone, if you have joined any batch, all these batches involve these things. Okay? Okay. So with this approach, I am starting today's session. Okay, so things to be noted. You must have heard that you should be ready with your mains subjects and ready with your mains notes and everything. Then you start your prelims. If you are doing that, your attempt will be a very good attempt. But I believe that not just mains, you should be prelims plus mains ready before prelims. Understanding this is a very unique thing that I'm going to tell you how you can do it, and this is done by many students in the last 1 year batch. So this is my second 1 year batch that I'm conducting. 2026 I have already conducted and it is on concluding mode. Okay, so you will be prelims plus mains ready before Jan 2027. Everything is ready, notes ready, sub kuch ready, revision ready, and then in January you are starting again revising the prelims and everything, right? And then after prelims, between prelims and mains, your notes and everything of mains is already ready and you are just revising. So this is the agenda of this thing. Okay, now this schedule, this approach is for those who want to clear 2027 in a topper's way. What do you mean by topper's way? Come what may, you are accepting this challenge, you are accepting daily target, you are pushing your limit, and you are doing it by hook or crook. Toppers क्या करते हैं? They do not cry. Whatever is the situation, whatever is the challenge, let us suppose they are not scoring good in prelims. Let us suppose their prelims mock test ka score is like 40-60. So they will not cry. So they will make sure that they are pushing everything, they are doing everything, and unka score 100 plus ja raha hai. Understanding? So a topper's mindset, if you are studying with topper's mindset and if you are ready to accept this challenge, so this course is for you. Okay, I am not here to spoon feed. I am again telling. Okay. So those who are considering themselves as weak, I am very weak in my study, I am very weak in my academics, I am very weak in this, I am very weak in that, leave the past. Every person. So let us suppose you don't know how to play cricket. Huh? So does that mean that you cannot learn cricket today? You take the bat, you take the ball, you go to a coach, and the person will teach you how to, swing the ball, how to throw the ball, how to catch the ball. And you will learn that skill with some effort in some days. Understanding? Same goes here. If you are getting trained for a year under an expert or a person who has cleared this exam herself, why you will not learn those skills? Understanding? So if you are considering yourself weak, this course is not for you. But if you are considering that this is a challenge and I want to take it and I will develop those skills in next 1 year, this course is for you. Okay? Okay, I am going to provide best schedule, best sources, best guidance, best companionship, best sessions, best notes, and best everything. Are you at least considering yourself as a best candidate to clear this examination in 2027? Today only, you please take this vow in your mind that you are going to do best and you are the best. अंडरस्टैंडिंग रेस्ट ऑल द थिंग्स, क्या आपसे करवाना है, नोट्स कैसे बनवाने हैं, क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, ये सब मैं देख लूंगी. You are outsourcing all those things to me in this batch, and you are just doing what I am telling, and you will also understand that this is a good way to do it, right? I have already told that this is mentorship, companionship, and personal guidance, right? Okay, then this is not teaching, huh? So I want to clear this batch is not teaching. So I'm not going to teach you modern India, polity, geography, all these things. Classes of teaching and all, they are not going to be in this batch. This is like I am guiding you, you are studying, I am providing notes for your support, you are making your notes, we are revising, we are doing sessions so that you think, mug up the things and you remember the things, and everything is on your toes, right? And we are solving the test, I'm guiding you how to write the test, I'm guiding you how to write the answer, you are writing the answer, we are doing live sessions. So this program is about all these things. This is not a teaching program. Okay? Okay, now next is why karma yoga, है ना, the name and everything. So I have already told that moksha by different path can be achieved, and this is the best path for UPSC aspirants to get the moksha, right? I have poured all my background into this batch, I have poured all the experience in this batch in the last less than 1 year. So April, in mid April, I had started full-fledgedly mentoring UPSC aspirant, and last year I was able to help two people to get into the final rank. Okay, Saurabh Dhakne and Rushikesh Gaikwad. They were my very known friends also, and I guided them, and they also implemented whatever I am telling them, and they could get the result. Next year also 8 students were into the list. That means I am myself is very confident right now that whatever I am telling is working, it is yielding the result, right? And that is why I am sure that if you are following karma yoga, you will be able to get the result if you are sincerely putting your hard work and smart work. Okay, then in last 1 year I have developed some of the very innovative batches. So logical thinking patterns, it is PYQ prelims batch. If you get the review of that batch from anyone, or anyone of your friend has enrolled, that person will tell you that is a game changing batch. Okay, so nobody has taught in that manner till now in UPSC coaching field. Okay, again that answer writing batch is also very innovative. Every batch whatever we are doing, prelims companionship batch, so I'm not providing mentorship, I provided companionship, and trust me, people are so helpful, so happy. They themselves message me that they are feeling confident, they are able to complete the syllabus, modern, spectrum, polity, Lakshmikant, whatever you name the book and the source, they have made the notes, they are feeling confident, and I have also shared the feedback in the main group. Okay, with all these things I am feeling, my approach is very practical. No fake motivation, no glorification. I will be very to the point, है ना, no nonsense approach. So with all these things, I believe that this is the best thing that you can do for your attempt in 2027, right? So your journey to positivity starts here. I really don't want you to cry. I really don't want you to feel helpless. I really don't want you to feel anything other than optimism and positivity in this batch, and that you will definitely do. I am moving towards the PDF in which all the details of this batch are there. This message is written by me for all of you. So please, when I share this PDF on the main Telegram channel, please read this message. Okay? This is written very by heart. Okay? I hope you will like it. Now, what are the pillars of Karma Yoga program? There are 20 pillars of this batch. I am going to explain in brief how you are supposed to do this journey. Okay? So these pillars, you read it later. I am just going to show you how we are going to do the things. Right now, we are in March. Okay? So I have adjusted the date to April 6th. So first week of April, we are starting this batch. So in first week, I want all of you to know the foundation. Foundation means that I am going to establish your core conceptual clarity for notes making. Notes making is such an important activity, and people neglect it like anything. So for static and for current, how you are supposed to read, how you are supposed to study, how you are supposed to make the notes, all these things we are going to cover in this April midwala
week. ठीक है, April first week, right? So you will understand कि which sources we are following, how we are making static notes, how we are making current affairs notes. So थोड़ा foundation building will happen there. Then we will start with April mid to August end. We will be having prelims plus mains integrated. So now by integrated study, I am not saying that I will just give you a source and you will read it and prelims भी वहां से हो जाएगा and mains भी वहां से हो जाएगा. Prelims plus mains. So some days prelims, some day mains. Integrated study will happen for GS 1, 2, 3, 4 in this period. So your all notes will be ready for prelims and mains. Your writing will be, answer writing will be ready for prelims and mains. Sorry, for prelims MCQ solving and for mains answer writing, right? And then your current affairs will be ready for mains, right? Then September to December, September, October, November, December, you will be doing your optional subject. This is the only thing that I am not offering in this batch. ठीक है, please note, optional, many students will have many options. बहुत different options होंगे, so it will not be possible for me right now because I am only one person doing all these things. I don't have a team of optional teachers, right? So optional subject, I am not able to help you with this. So whatever is your optional, you have to do either self study or you have to do it from outside, whatever source you have, right? So this one thing you have to take care. Then phase 4, December end, I will be conducting PYQ LTP batch for all of you. So logical thinking batch for prelims PYQ is the most important things without which you cannot clear prelims. Seriously, you cannot clear prelims. Okay, so that batch will happen and then your prelims journey will happen. ठीक है, so मोटा मोटा timeline is clear, right? Okay, now after this overall coverage of schedule, I am going to do the detailed scheduling. Okay, so approximately this is the structure that I am going to give you, and some dates or some time will change. Nothing will change mostly. Last year भी कुछ ज़्यादा change नहीं हुआ है, but I am like right now I am planning for April 2027. That means I am planning so minutely. Some or the other date may change, okay, but 99% this will be the schedule. So can you see in the first week we are doing intro session. पूरा आपको पूरा intro, subject, syllabus, sources, mindset, all these things we will be doing. How to do static notes, I will be teaching you. ठीक है, how to do newspaper study notes. So what I have observed that many of you will be relying on current affair magazines, but in prelims that is okay, ठीक है, but in mains your vocabulary, your mains structuring, your answer writing will all be quality wala if you have notes from newspaper. Those students who are regular with the newspaper, they are having very good vocabulary, very good arguments, and their main answers will be very different than those who are just doing the newspaper current affair magazine and they don't have touch with the newspaper editorials. Due to newspaper editorials, your understanding of the topic will be increasing. So hardly anybody is doing this, but in my preparation I definitely did it, and I know so many topper who did it. So I am going to teach you how to study newspaper and how to make notes out of it. For these many days we are going to make daily notes of newspaper, so that that method is ingrained in you. This is something very unique that I am going to do in this batch, that I want you to be pro. So मैंने नाम ही ऐसा रखा है, pro newspaper study class, right? So you will be pro in studying newspaper and extracting the notes syllabus topic wise, so that you have a very good quality thing to produce in your mains examination. And mains current affairs we are definitely going to do only from newspaper. Understanding? ठीक है, so all these foundations will be done in the first week. Then we will start with GS1, right? So for GS1, so I'm just going to help you to understand ki how I'm going to do it. So GS1 prelims, do you know modern India is there for GS1 syllabus? So unless and until you know the whole modern India, you will not be able to write GS1 ka answer, right? So if I do not tell you to do modern year right now, and I'm keeping it for prelims and just telling you some bits and pieces for mains, it will not be a wholesome study, because there are so many things, objectivity from prelims, which you are supposed to utilize in your mains answers. I have scored one of the highest marks in GS1, 110 in 2022. उस साल में that was very high. ठीक है, so I know how objectivity of history geography is going to help you into the writing GS1 answer. So what I thought, we will do it integrated. So first we will do modern India from prelims perspective, all the spectrum book with notes, and then we will do modern India and post-independent India and world history from mains perspective. Understanding? So your GS1 history is completed along with prelims. Everybody getting? Okay. So now you will feel that what is this? Like what are the schedule given here? I have divided Spectrum into 12 study days. So Spectrum has 700 pages and Spectrum has 32 chapters. Okay? So every day I am expecting you to do 60 pages and it is very much possible. Please do not think that how can I do this? Whatever schedule I have made, this is the optimum schedule. If you are not able to follow and you are extending your targets, you will not be able to cover prelims plus mains before prelims. Okay? And everybody will be able to develop this capacity. In our companionship batch, we have already done this. Okay? People used to feel how they are going to do it and they did it. Okay? That is my work. I will get the things done. But you just show that gut that you are able to do that hard work. Okay? So I have given target. So first day, we will be doing page 1 to 60, then 61 to 120, then 121 to 180, वगैरह वगैरह. Your deadline is 13 April, 14 April, 15 April, and we will be having same day session 13 April, 14 April, 15 April. So morning to 4 p.m. you are doing your study. 4 to 5 p.m. we are meeting. We are discussing. I am asking you the question. You are answering, right? And this is how the companionship batch prelim students 2026 has mugged up Spectrum like anything. Can you believe this? If I give you Spectrum, it will take you 1 month to do it. But we are doing in 12 study days. And prelims 2026 batch student did it in 9 days. Trust me. Okay? So once we do all the Spectrum, once we do notes, so I have included all Sunday. All Sunday will be revision. I will also teach you how to revise. Okay? Then we will be doing remaining main syllabus of GS1, post-independence and then world history. Wherever I have written toppers notes, so either my handwritten notes or a very, very good toppers notes will be provided, right, which are available in the open services, right, or whatever digital handouts I will prepare, I will be giving it. Now, here you are supposed to make your own notes, but my notes as a reference will be available for you because there are so many tables that I make. Okay, so I'll just show you how this I have included into the companionship batch so that you will understand. If some of you can switch on your camera, that will be helpful. Okay, can you see Prelims Companionship Batch Program 2026? Right? So this is app. We will be conducting all our lectures and we will be uploading all the notes on our app. Right? That is Learnify app. Okay? So now here Modern India section, then you have Geography section, Polity, Economy, Environment, all these subjects. Modern India. Okay? Can you see? I have given PDF 1, Session 1, Lesson 2, Lesson 3, Lesson 4, Lesson 5, Lesson 6. There are videos 1, 2, 3, 4. So in so total 18, that means 9 days, 9 videos and 9 PDF files. Okay, so in 9 days they completed the modern. I will show you. So I have uploaded my notes. So it is like can you see? Okay, page to page notes of modern India. Handwritten notes are there. And many a times you will not be able to know these high level methods. Like I have put a map and all the factories of the kings and everything is mentioned, British and everything is mentioned. I use table method a lot. So I'll just show you how I have made the tables. Can you see this Carnatic War table? Okay, this is first Carnatic War, second Carnatic War, third Carnatic War. So in one small table, everything is covered. Now I have also made table for other things. So this is now next chapter. Can you see? I have clubbed Anglo-Mysore wars, first war, second war, third war. What is timeline? What is war party causes, treaty consequences? So this is like little bit advanced notes making, which you may not be aware as a fresher or maybe you have not done. You will learn a lot. So people have learned a lot from all these notes. Okay, so whatever thing I have told that we will be doing in this, see this, all the Spectrum notes will be uploaded. You are making your own notes. You are referring my notes as a reference. and you are doing validation from my notes if required. On daily basis you are doing all these things, and let us suppose 20-30% of the notes are left, you are not able to make it, you will copy from my notes and your daily target is done. अंडरस्टैंडिंग? ठीक है। आई ट्रूली बिलीव नो बडी कैन बिकम अ टॉपर जस्ट बाय सीइंग अदर्स नोट्स। सो दूसरों के नोट्स लेके यू आर जस्ट रट्टाफाइंग, नो, यू हैव टू डू ऑन योर ओन, बट माई नोट्स विल एक्ट लाइक अ लाइट हाउस विच हैज हेल्प। सो दीज नोट्स आर नॉट इन डाउनलोडेबल फॉर्मेट, ठीक है, बिकॉज इफ आई गिव यू इन डाउनलोडेबल फॉर्मेट यू विल नॉट डू योर नोट्स, ठीक है। सो ऑल दिस थिंग्स वर्क लाइक एनीथिंग फॉर 2026 बैच एंड इट विल वर्क फॉर यू. So for mains also, I am going to provide you the notes. You are supposed to read yourself. You are supposed to make your notes. I am going to tell you sources and everything. Daily basis pay, we are going to do all these targets and we are going to do the discussion. Then society. So all these lectures of society, you have deadline and we have sessions. You have deadline, we have sessions. Same goes with geography. So geography, can you see 11th physical geography we are doing, chapters are given, which map we are doing is given, session, every day we are doing session. So the prelims wala thing like modern history, geography, economy, environment, science and tech, all these things daily session will be there because targets are daily. ठीक है। फॉर मेन्स सिलेबस, फॉर एग्जाम्पल कैन यू सी दिस अदर ज्योग्राफी सिलेबस फ्रॉम सो सोर्स, मेन्स वाला थिंग, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ की नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज, फैक्टर्स रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर लोकेशन ऑफ इंडस्ट्री, फॉर देम 2 days will be given for your understanding, reading and notes making, and in 2 day 1 day we will have session, understanding. And this is also important because in those main sessions we are not just doing that revision and everything, we are also writing answers, ठीक है। सो प्रिलिम्स वी हैव डेली सेशंस, मेंस इन 2 days वी हैव सेशन along with आंसर राइटिंग. So this is how we are supposed to cover our GS1 by 31st May. ठीक है, वी आर स्टार्टिंग इन मिड अप्रैल, 31st May तक रिविजन कंसोलिडेशन GS1 with notes, every syllabus is done. Now you are doing GS2, ठीक है। So GS2 you have polity. So first we will do prelims polity from Lakshmikant. So I have divided all the chapters. I have given you targets. We have everyday session. We are meeting for 1 hour. I am just seeing your progress and everything, right? Then in mains, we will be doing it from toppers notes, newspaper, my notes, so many, all the main syllabus we will be doing, okay? Deadline is also given. You are supposed to do that target and you are come for the session, okay? Then revision and consolidation and everything. Governance is given. So all these things I have divided and we are finishing GS2 by 12 July, right? Then we are doing GS3. Again, we are doing prelims economy, prelims source, prelims subject notes and everything. And then we are doing mains economy, right? So we are doing integrated study, but we have distinct study days. We are not mixing because prelims needs objectivity, mains needs subjectivity. So different dates, different approach. Understanding? Then we are finishing your internal security, disaster management, all the source, everything will be told by me. You just have to do it daily target, daily basis. Okay. Now, can you see in between Saturday, Sunday is completely off for your revision consolidation. Revision is very important. What is the use? You are just doing it and not even revising it. Okay. So all these things. So GS3 we are ending on 12 August, right? And GS4, all my handwritten notes, everything, class notes. Okay, all these things will be done by me. No outsourcing of work. I am again telling you, my handwritten notes are made by me. My class handouts are made by me. My test paper are set by me. My PYQ, my answer writing, everything is by me. Okay? Okay, so quality is utmost guaranteed. So GS4 is also we are doing. In between, can you see essay orientation I have put? Okay, so your essay will also be done. Everything is getting finished by 31st August. So we are starting in mid-April, April first week. By 31st August, you are ready with prelims plus mains, with notes, with all the understanding, with answer writing. In mains, we are doing answer writing also. Okay? Then you have optional. So September, October, November, December, you will be doing optional study. Then we are doing PYQ LTP. So can you see 14 December, 15 December, 16 December. So we have all PYQ lectures. Okay? So PYQ, prelims, logical thinking patterns batch, everything is included. Then I am conducting reading comprehension session for CSAT. Okay? So CSAT 2 sessions will be conducted. This year also I have conducted, every year I conduct these sessions, and this will be very helpful. Once you master reading comprehension, your CSAT will be taken care of. Only quant you have to do. Okay? Then we will be starting with prelims. So after doing all these things, again in January you are starting with the prelims. Okay, environment I did not include in GS3 mains because hardly one question comes in mains, but in prelims it is very important. So the moment you are starting your prelims, you are doing your environment targets. All these things will be done. Can you see current affairs started with January? Current affairs, current affairs, current affairs, current affairs. So I will be making notes of current affairs for you, and it will be given, you have to study on that day and make notes out of it. Okay, so I'll be giving you handouts of current affairs and you will be studying and making your handwritten notes. Done. Then every after in prelims phase, when you are done with a particular subject, you are doing the this thing. You are doing your test. So environment model done, prelims, environment sectional test. Ancient medieval done, ancient sectional test. Then you do modern India, modern sectional test. Can you see you are again revising modern India here in prelims? You have already covered it in mains wala phase, you are again doing it. Then geography, you are revising and you are attempting geography test. Polity, you are revising, you are doing polity test. Economy, you are revising. All these things will be finished by April 1st week. So 9 April 2027, you are done with your prelims revision also. You are done with prelim study and main study by August end. Then you are doing optional. Then you are again starting with prelims and you are again finishing by 9 April and you have again another round of revision. Right? Current affairs is also total 30 sessions. I think 24 sessions of current affairs are there. Dates are here from January to April. Okay, right? And then current affair we are doing in two phases. So this is prelims current affair. Mains current affair you are doing from the newspaper between April to August, and the habit will be developed so that in, like, let us suppose in the start you will require 5-6 hours to do the mains newspaper, but with the slow development you will be requiring only 1 or 2 hours, and that you will continue throughout till your prelims phase, right? And then prelims current affairs we are doing in January, February, March, April, right? Then prelims test series already included 6 sectional test, 5 full length test. During the full length test in April, you will be revising, you will be solving test. You will be revising, you will be solving test. You will be revising, you will be solving test. So how many times you are doing revision? Once you are studying when, let us suppose right now April, May, June, July, you are studying every Saturday, Sunday, you are doing revision. Then you are doing revision in January, February, March, April because you have already studied. Then in April, you are doing weekly revisions. Understanding? Any subject you take, you will be revising it for 5 to 10 times minimum. Okay, this is how we have designed the schedule. Last is mains answer writing. So for mains, what I have observed that people just keep on writing test, and they do not even know how to write answer. So for me, conducting write batch is very important. So write. So this batch I have included in your schedule. Whenever we are doing the modern or post-independence mains wala study, 28 April. So that day we will be doing live answer writing. So half an hour, let us suppose I am telling you, this is how you are supposed to write the intro, this is how you are supposed to write the conclusion, this is how you are supposed to write the body. And rest half of the hour, we are actually writing the answer in the live class. I am making you write and I am, helping you to write, and you are doing it and you are practicing it. Okay. So this is write schedule and it is integrated with your mains wala schedule. So can you see dates 28 April, 30 April, 2 May, 5 May, 8 May, 26 May, 29 May. So total 7 sessions of GS1 I am conducting for answer writing, how to write answer, how to practice answer. Okay. So can you see this? Your GS1 history, right? So GS1 history mains wala thing 28 April, 30 April, 2 May, है ना? Here on that day mains sessions are also happening and answer writing session is also happening. Okay, so it is integrated with your mains syllabus. You can see the PDF and details and everything. I will be sharing it on Telegram. Then GS2 total 7 sessions again I am conducting. GS3 I am conducting. GS4 I am conducting. So total how many? 30 sessions of answer writing. All GS plus essay. 30 sessions of answer writing, 30 classes, 30 methods of answer writing we will be doing for different subjects. Okay? Can you see after every GS, let us suppose GS1 syllabus is done, GS full length test is included. Answer writing, mains answer writing, GS full length test, GS2 full length test, GS3 full length test, GS4 full length test. So mains tests are also there. Okay? Mains answer writing is also there. Then in those answer writings we will be doing all PYQ of UPSC. ठीक है, practice of PYQ of UPSC. Right? I hope everybody is clear. We are doing prelims coverage. We are doing prelims PYQ. See this. So you will be getting personalized guidance and handholding directly from me. You will be added to the Telegram group, and there in the group also you can ask, and personal Telegram ID will be shared, and you will be asking anything, whatever doubts you are getting, you will be asking. Okay? Then you have study sessions. Like in mains there will be 2 days one session, in prelims every day session. So every week you are not feeling like left out. Every week we are meeting for 3 to 6 sessions per week. Okay? Notes making. No syllabus will be left without notes. I truly do not believe that you can clear this examination without notes. So for mains, for prelims, all the notes will be done according to the whatever schedule is given. In mains specific module, all mains syllabus coverage with notes will be done. Mains test series I have shown, GS 1, 2, 3, 4, essay, sab kuch. Mains write, that means 30 sessions of how to write answers I am conducting. Daily live answer writing, whenever we have sessions, live answer writing will be done. And you are writing in the class so that you are developing that habit. PYQ LTP batch is there. Prelims companionship total module is there, right? Prelims sectional test, 6 sectional test and 5 full length test. Total 11 test, 11 discussions. Okay, it is very important to improve. Then you have daily practice test. During your prelims, I will be giving you 20 questions. Let us suppose today you are doing modern India 6 chapters. So on that 6 chapters, 20 25 whatever I can do, 20-25 questions I will give, so that you will read those questions and then solve those questions. And sorry, read the syllabus, cover the syllabus, study the syllabus for daily basis, and you will solve the question, and then you will understand whether I am able to recollect or not. Prelims current affairs notes will be given. Mains current affairs we are doing from newspaper. CSAT. In CSAT, reading comprehension is my duty. Quant is your duty. For quant also, I am trying to get a good teacher. If I get it, we will conduct those classes. Understanding? Okay? But right now, prelims 2026 candidates also are doing quant on their own. It is not that rocket science. You will be also doing it, and I will try my best to get a good teacher and do your quant. CSAT reading comprehension I am taking care of. Okay? Now, more important, I really hope that if you follow all these things rigorously, you will be able to clear prelims 2027. So if you are doing this, mains 2027 entire mentorship will be free for you. Okay? Because if you show your potential, I am there to help. If you are doing hard work, I am there to help. Okay? So if you clear it in 2027 May, next 3 months, June, July, August, till you end with your mains 2027, I will be there. Okay? Multiple revision plans, Saturday, Sunday revision, weekly revision, monthly revision, then prelims के phase में पर फिर से revision, all these things will be there. I will conduct bonus emotional intelligence session in between. I know the phase of student when they feel low. I know when they feel they really need that emotional boost. I will be conducting those sessions. I have conducted this for last batch also. Okay? And I will be guiding you how you're supposed to plan your schedule on daily basis, how you're supposed to do the things. Okay? And then you can curate the schedule on your own. You can show me your schedule, and then we can discuss and we will be finalizing things. Okay? So I hope everything is clear. Total 215 sessions I am conducting, prelims plus mains. 215 बार I am teaching you something. Okay? 215 total sessions. Then we have mains specific module 30 sessions. We have mains test series completely, right module 30 sessions, current affairs 24 sessions, PYQ LTP 14 sessions. Okay? Companionship batch total 50 sessions, prelims test series, all these things are given. Okay? I hope all the features and everything is clear. Now I will go to the most important question and most interesting question. Anyone any doubt here? Anyone any doubt? Anybody any doubt? No doubt?
Good evening, ma'am. This is Shweta.
Ha, yes, Shweta.
Ma'am, actually, I'm packed with my final exams from April 13th to April 20, ma'am. So at the same time, we are having GS1 classes, right, ma'am?
Okay.
So I don't want to be clumsy, ma'am. So will any other new batch start after April, ma'am?
No. So whatever I'm planning right now is for April 6. Okay? there is a chance that I can conduct a batch June onwards, but I really don't know the bandwidth. Maybe if mains wala batch will be more important that time, I will conduct that batch only. As I only do things on my own, I really don't plan this batch, this batch, this batch. If I am available, if the bandwidth is there, if everything is setting up, then only I will conduct the batches. That is my approach, so I cannot guarantee.
So what do you suggest me, ma'am?
Okay, I will take that doubt at the end. I will just
Okay.
ask. I'm asking doubts related to the feature right now.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yes. Can you tell me any other feature left? Do you think this is not covered, that is not covered? ठीक है. Okay. So rest of the doubts I will take later. Now the most important things. Let us talk about the financial aspect, the fees. ठीक है. Okay, so I am just showcasing you how much things are included. Okay, so the foundation phase. So I'm just calculating things. Okay, so the foundation phase. Let us suppose it is this fees. Mains companionship batch. This is the fees. Right batch. This is the fees. These batches I have conducted last year with whatever feature they had, and the fees range is like this. Mains test series. Okay, prelims companionship batch. Prelims test series. Prelims current affairs notes, 10 sessions. In prelims current affair, I have not told you, but I am going to give you notes, and you are going to study and you are going to make the notes and everything. I am going to give you handout. But in last phase, like March, April, I will conduct 10 sessions. Okay, consider it as a bonus. Okay, so because I feel I have to involve with you for current affair preparation also, so I will conduct 10 sessions. Okay, then prelims, PYQ, LTP batch. So all these things comes as a total of this. Okay, 37,992. I really know the importance of money in aspirant's life. I myself have been there. Okay, right? And then one more important thing is that with this, all these things, I am including my personal support to you. Anytime you ask any doubt, I will definitely reply within 24 hours. If our chat and live answer discussion is not helping, I will call you on Telegram. I do not hesitate. So I will be connected. You will never feel left out. And that time constraint and that time engagement, that time commitment, that support fees, so I'm not even counting in this. Okay. So if I conduct one-to-one calls, if I conduct a batch which is exclusive like a personal mentorship, I will charge for that. But for this batch, I am only charging for whatever the features of the batch. I am not charging for my personal commitment to you. Okay, because I feel if you are giving 1 year commitment to me, not just in terms of fees, but in terms of your time, faith, energy, effort, that this ma'am is going to help me to clear this examination, and let me trust her. If you are giving that commitment, I will not charge you for my commitment towards you. So that fees I'm not even including it. Okay, whatever connections, whatever personal guidance I'm going to provide, not even counted. On top of it, as you are trusting me for one complete year and you are trusting all these features of this batch, this total fees of 37,992 will be reduced to 24,999. Okay, why I have given breakup? Because if I don't give the breakup, you will not understand how I am charging you, and you may feel something else. So I don't want you to do that. Okay, I am not here pure for commercial things. Financial aspects are needed. Why? Because commitment, not only my commitment but your commitment also. Tell me, if I offer you a gym for free, will you go there daily and do? There will be very few people who will go to a gym just because it is freely available, but there are so many people who will pay the fees and go to gym, and that's why their commitment increases towards it, because they have invested something in that. You will hold me accountable if you have invested something in me. Otherwise I am not accountable to you. Understanding? So please take it in a very mature and positive spirit. What we are doing it here, it is absolutely genuine, and you can ask any person from the last batch how experience, what was their experience and what they got. Whatever I'm promising, more than that only I will do. I am already telling you that quant I'm not including here, RC I'm conducting, but I'm definitely in search of a good teacher. If I get, I will conduct quant classes for you, and your CSAT will be taken care of. Okay, so till 31st March Early bird offer will be 24,999. After 31st March, it will be 27,999. Okay. So these two slots will be there and everything is here. I think I'm done. Yes, there is group discount also. So last year, so many students came in group, and I thought if you are trusting me so much, I will definitely offer you. So if you are a group of 3 people or more, each will get discount of this. Okay. Okay. And please, this is a policy that we follow here. You take your decision with some time consideration. आप एक दूसरे किसी से बात करिए, फीचर्स डिस्कस करिए, ठीक है. And if you see my videos, so you see all my YouTube videos, and if you feel trust on me, then only invest on me. ठीक है. Because once you are paying the fees, it will be really challenging to return it back. There are so many factors involved, system involved, all these things. Understanding? ठीक है. Okay. So for any query and any doubt, Mr. Krishna is always there. His WhatsApp, Telegram is always there. You can also put your request to Krishna. If you are really confused whether you want to join this batch or not, there are some constraint that you have. Let us suppose somebody asked me that she is in the last year of her semester, and what should she do. If you are not able to take the call on that, please message Krishna that you want to connect with me. We will discuss, and if you feel that this is working for you, you will come, otherwise you will drop. Okay. So please do reach out to Krishna, and if you have any doubt, you can reach out to me also for taking the decision. Now I will open the floor for the question answer. Yes.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, regarding
Okay,
future, I have
Nivas, just a minute. So somebody was there who asked the doubt. No, I will solve her doubt first.
Yes, ma'am. This is
हाँ,
Shweta, ma'am.
Yes, Shweta. So you are in the final semester.
Yes, ma'am. This is my final year, ma'am. So
Okay.
fifth year.
हाँ.
And I have my exams from April 13th, ma'am.
April 13, 1-3. हाँ.
Yes, ma'am. It
Okay,
will
then.
extend till April 20, ma'am.
Okay, ठीक है. हाँ.
Simultaneously, in this batch, GS1 is running right now, ma'am.
Right. So by 20 April, what all we are covering, I will just see.
Modern spectrum, ma'am.
Just a minute. So till 20 April, 7 study days of modern spectrum are done and 5 are remaining.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. And you are that foundation wala thing.
Yes, ma'am.
Newspaper and all. That is also missing. Okay.
Yes.
Recordings will be available, and whatever revision days are there in the initial time, that days can be utilized to cover your syllabus. And if you feel like if there will be a batch, let us suppose you want to join here, then the batch will be after 2 months. You should not waste 2 months if you really want to join me only.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Understanding whatever is missed, like few sessions of Modern India and your initial few sessions, I will make sure that you are watching recording, you are understanding. If you are not able to do it, I will do some calls and some few minutes of session with you, and you will be able to understand.
Ma'am, in this March month also, I can have 10 days of time, ma'am. So can I cover that 10 days in this March month, ma'am?
So what I can do, what I can help you with, if you want to join and if you have time right now, once you join, right,
Yes, ma'am.
then I will offer you the modern history spectrum lecture of companionship batch, which we are just concluding. The
Okay.
lectures are almost same. Okay.
Okay.
So you will start your spectrum and you will cover things.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And only those newspaper wala and the static and current affair notes, that sessions will be left, that you can cover on Saturday, Sunday.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, your spectrum will be done. So anyways, you will have time.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
That we can do.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
I'll contact with Krishna sir,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Shweta. Yes. Who else was talking? Nivas. Yes. Nivas ji. हाँ जी.
good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Ma'am, regarding future, I have one doubt that in last year-long mentorship program, there was a bi-monthly call. Is it there in this also?
ठीक है. So why you want bi-monthly if I'm available daily?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding. So what
Right,
happened last year, students demanded that they need one-to-one call. So I arranged that bi-monthly call. Then I realized that if you get doubt today, why you will wait for 15 days and ask me that doubt? So
Right,
just
ma'am.
not have restriction that you will ask me doubt in that call only. So what we can do, whenever you are getting doubt, you are dropping me a Telegram message. Okay, I am trying to address that doubt. Let us suppose that doubt is it needs little bit of discussion, and we are not able to solve it on the chat. I will call you on Telegram for 5 minutes and we will discuss and solve.
Sure, ma'am.
है ना? So rather than
हाँ,
bi-monthly one-to-one call, do you want this support?
मैम डेली सपोर्ट, राइट
Thank
मैम.
you so much.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
also one doubt. I have completed my foundation. I had started this preparation 2 years before,
Hmm.
but it was very unstructured.
Hmm.
Like I was just watching lectures and taking down notes, but
Hmm.
not practicing MCQ question.
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
with college, I was preparing for this
Hmm.
exam. It
Hmm.
took me 1.5 years to complete the
Hmm.
foundation.
Hmm.
And after 1.5 years, I realized that I am not able to write mains answer, right?
Hmm.
Mains question.
Hmm.
So my like 1.5 years got wasted. Then I invested 8 to 10 month extra for mains, and I was able to write PYQ questions, but I was generating very generic point.
Understood.
Ma'am, should I like I have completed basic sources like Spectrum, Polity since I have been preparing from last 2 years.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
should I go with year-long program or the mains mentorship program which you are going to launch for 2026?
So mains mentorship program will be for those who are appearing for mains.
Right, ma'am.
And their syllabus
Uh,
will be 2 months everything covered. So that will be so hectic. ठीक है?
yes, ma'am.
Initially, I was thinking that I will club your mains phase with their mains phase, but
Mhm,
it is absolutely a challenging thing. ठीक है? Second thing
mhm.
is you have done everything, but 2027 will be your fresh attempt.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है? So the rule is I have cleared prelims 7 times. But if I am appearing for 2027 or if I am appearing for 2026, I will study it freshly.
Right, ma'am.
Ideally, do not rely on your old notes. You have taken them 2 years back when when you didn't even have the maturity to study this examination, right? So if
Yes,
I
ma'am.
make notes today, those notes will be very good compared to my last year's notes.
Yes, ma'am.
So my approach is this, you take your call. My approach is
Mhm,
if I am attempting 2027, I will treat myself
mhm,
as a fresh candidate. I will do everything from scratch. I will
mhm,
unlearn all those things that were not helping me. In PYQ logical thinking patterns batch, what happens? People are solving MCQ by their own style and their style is not giving the result. That is why they're not clearing. And I am teaching
yes,
them
ma'am.
my style. Now it is very difficult for them to unlearn their style and learn my style. But if they are doing it, they are getting the result.
Yes, ma'am.
Even for notes making, even if you have notes, if you see my notes and compare, maybe you will learn something new. And
Right, ma'am.
if you are appearing for 2027, do everything freshly. Do not rely on
Mhm,
your old memory.
yes, ma'am.
ठीक है?
Ma'am, regarding optional, my option is anthropology, and in one of your attempt, your option was also
So
anthropology.
for anthropology sub students, there is a
Mhm,
soft corner. So I will conduct some sessions where I will help you to, how to do the things, वगैरह. But I right now I'm not planning to take it as full thing. Again,
mhm,
just like quant, if I collaborate with something, if somebody is there to take anthropology,
mhm,
which is very qualified and which is I am also having that time and bandwidth, so I will do between that September, October, November, December. But for this batch,
mhm.
I am not included it. It will be a
Ma'am,
September.
just an overview guidance of
That I
anthropology as
will
an
do. That
optional.
I will do.
Uh-huh.
2, 3 sessions I will conduct for anthropology.
Mhm.
That
Sure, ma'am.
bias will be there for anthro student.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Yes. Anyone else?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Vaishnavi.
Ma'am, I wanted to ask that I have given earlier attempts
Hmm.
and I qualified prelims twice.
Hmm.
So in 2025 attempt, I have got 718 marks in mains. I
Hmm.
received the mark sheet now like few
Hmm.
days ago. So I wanted to ask that should I join this batch or should I join your mains mentorship batch, which is like more focused on mains? Because
You are attempting 2026 or 27?
no, I'll attempt 27 now.
Again, the same answer of Nivas. See, I had also taken breaks in my preparation. Okay? But during that break, I worked wholeheartedly on everything. ठीक है? So if you are sincerely taking a break, why not to do everything? If you focus only on that 2 months, let us suppose you are joining me or you are joining somebody else during that mains phase. ठीक है? It will be so hectic. Like I was scheduling your schedule and I wanted to club your batch with the mains wala phase with the mains wala people. So they are not even getting 1 week for whole history, like modern India, world history, post independent, and your everything like art and culture, ancient medieval. So they are not even getting 1 week, not even 1 week for polity, not even 1 week for governance, because overall mains has only I think 10 to 12 weeks between prelims result and between prelims and your mains date, right? So if you want to have value addition in your mains, if you want to really make a difference, do not be cluttered in that 2 months. Put efforts throughout and you will not regret later. मेंस में you have attempted मेंस, कैसा होता है, ये छूटेगा वो छूटेगा, ये नहीं हो रहा है वो नहीं हो रहा है, so that cat race you should avoid, rat race. ठीक है?
Okay.
So study like very thoroughly so that you improve by leaps and bounds, not by fractions.
So ma'am, the sessions which you'll take, they'll be structured according to needs. Like if someone needs more content for mains, will that be possible?
I have my understanding, like what is required for modern history, what is required for post-independence, what is required for society, right? So according to that, I will be preparing the material, preparing the notes and providing to you. I will be also telling you sources from where you should read it. Okay? I believe whatever days I have allocated in that, doing this also is very hectic because you are making notes throughout. Okay? You are not just reading the things. And if you give more days than that, you will not cover everything by August. Then your optional will be compromised. Okay? But let us suppose you are feeling your society is very weak. So I will tell you some sources from which you can read on your own. That I can do. But this mentorship is a structured mentorship where I tell you to do this, and if you follow that, you will be very good prepared. But if you want some tweaks, I can give you.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Okay? Okay, Vaishnavi. Yes, any other doubt?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Madhu.
Ma'am, for candidates who have qualified multiple prelims, for them, mains focus sessions will be there, ma'am. Like
Okay.
only note making and value addition kind of.
So if you have seen in the schedule, I am covering Spectrum India for 12 days, which is like prelims wala thing. And then we have mains wala thing, है ना, post independence, modern history answer writing, then world history answer writing, वगैरह वगैरह. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
as I told you, I use the prelims data in mains answer writing. So it is not like that if I know prelims, then it is not like that I have qualified prelims, so I will focus only on mains. Writing mains, how quality you are putting the content depends on how productively you are using your prelims things. Okay? So that is my approach. So I am conducting the prelims objectivity and using it in the mains answer writing. Those who want to focus on mains, they can utilize whatever I am telling in mains and they can do more answer writing practice. Let us suppose I am taking 5 live answers. You do that 5 live answers, and after that you do your 50 answers by yourself, no? 1-5.
Okay, ma'am.
Right?
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, yes. Yes, Sri Lakshmi.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I need to attempt the 2027, ma'am. Actually, I have given 3 prelims. I got 80 marks last time, 2025. I have no time for the preparation 2026, ma'am. So I'm like, I have to target for 2027.
Okay.
Surely I have to crack the exam. So I need to focus on mains. Can you suggest me any program from your side?
Okay, so I am not understanding why are you treating whatever I am telling you as prelims program, right?
Okay.
So see, one thing you have to understand, this exam is like a package. If you fail in prelims, you are repeating the cycle. If you fail in mains, you are repeating the cycle. If you fail in interview, you're repeating the cycle, right? So to overall clear prelims mains interview, you need a structured study over a year. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Even if let us suppose I am very good in my prelims, okay, can I do it like I will not even study prelims for 2-3 months and I will just open book in April and I will just read and go and clear, right? It will not happen, right? So I have designed it in an integrated manner. Even if you have cleared it multiple times and want to focus, you can focus. Even if you are a fresher, you can do it. Okay? So if you are anyone here, if you are targeting 2027 and if you feel that your GS1 is very strong and GS2 is not strong, What you can do, GS1 you finish early and utilize those days for GS2 in-depth study. So some tweaks in the schedule can definitely be done, but you cannot leave GS1, na? You have to do GS1 again.
Okay.
And also, even if you have attempted mains, even if you have scored some good marks in mains, you have to be above cutoff of mains 30, 40, 50 marks to get into the rank or desired service. Understanding? Okay?
Yes,
So let us
ma'am.
suppose even if you have scored 90 marks in GS1, do you think that 90 is a good score? You have to improve. And to
Yes, ma'am.
improve in GS1 from 90 to 110, it is not like that you are supposed to focus only on mains. You have to be backed by lots of objectivity of prelims to pour it into the mains.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So you will understand in the live answer writing session how prelims data can help you in mains. Okay. So for me, it should go hand in hand. It should go integrated. Do not neglect any stage of this examination. Do not, if you are investing one more year into it, do it thoroughly. Today morning only, I talked to a student who secured rank last year, and he told me that his only obstacle is optional, right? So he want to focus on optional, and he was asking strategy and everything. Then I told him
Okay.
that even if you are good in your this thing, that thing, and you are attempting 2027 and you are focusing only on option, what if you score less in GS? What if you score less in interview? What if you score, if you score so disaster that you do not even clear prelims? This can happen. This exam is like every year is a fresh attempt, and every year you have to be best performance candidate.
We have to balance everything, every
Balance
stage.
everything, every stage. And see, there are hundreds and 150 factor. I have list of those factors. Those you have to balance in your prelims, mains, and interview, and integrated also. Then only you are going to get a rank. Otherwise, this is not engineering, na? That if you get good marks, you are getting IIT. And if you get bad marks, you are getting state college. If you get good marks above competition, you are in the rank. If you do not get it, even if you get 1 mark less, you are nothing. Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
please, anyone here having doubt that my prelims is very strong and my mains is very bad, please understand if your prelims is strong, why you're not able to utilize that prelims in mains.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it should be integrated. Okay, and yes,
Okay.
you can tweak. Let us suppose you are very good in GS for ethics. Don't give whatever time I have allocated. Use it for some other subject, but do GS4 in 7 days at least.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, once everything you should do. Okay, yes, Sathiyaraj. Okay,
Hi,
so
ma'am.
I will clear one doubt here. Somebody has asked, will you check the paper? So, ma'am, will you correct the mains answer? So there are 5 full-length tests. Those who are writing those full-length tests, definitely I will glance the paper. Live answer writing session I am taking, everything I am taking, paper setting I am doing, vagara, 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 vagara. Right? Understanding? So if you have observed, there are at least 18 to 20 features that I am preparing and delivering. Okay? During all these things, there can be a possibility due to some health issues, not health issues, but due to some unforeseen situation, it might happen that some or the other tasks I am not able to do. So that day I will tell you that I am not doing this and I am taking help of this qualified person, interview qualified person to do your that task. Okay? But that situation won't come, but I'm just telling you it can happen. So everything is being done by me. Okay? But in unforced situation, as it is one woman army, right? Some task मतलब क्या, only 1 or 2 tasks I can give to others, and that I will tell you what I am giving to others. Okay? And that is also ऐसा नहीं कि I am going to give you not even qualified prelims person. Understanding? So yes, mains answer writing I am definitely doing with feedback, whatever full length test you are writing, whatever I have promised. ठीक है? Economy GS3. Economy GS3 is covered, na? Mains and prelims both covered. ठीक है? Then any other doubt? Admin, who is admin? Okay, working professional. Working professional. Okay. So see, you have to study. You cannot say that you are working professional, so you will study less and still you want to clear this examination. UPSC will not hear to your excuses, right? So you have to study 6 hours minimum daily. I'm not counting it as an hours. I'm counting the period required to cover the syllabus. So if you are studying 6 hours, it is your job. You want to do this daily target. Even if you are working professional, you have the same time which is there for other people. So if they are doing all these targets and you are not doing these targets, you will be behind the competition. What you can do, you can utilize your chutti, like the vacations, the holidays, your Saturday, Sunday, very, very, very effectively to cover your backlog if there is any. But in on daily basis, if you want, you can push yourself and try to do at least some targets है ना. Let us suppose 70% targets if you are doing, you are there in competition. But if you are feeling like I am working professional, this is very challenging, I will not be able to do it, and I will stick to something which is like thoda thoda study karna hai, you are already out of competition. Understanding, anyone who is working here, you are being treated as same as the full-time candidate. So you have to push your limit and you have to do it, and you can do it. In my 2020 mains, I was in my second year of post graduation in TIS, and this is such a hectic college that you do not even get time to breathe, right? And I was attempting mains, so I was studying, like doing the TIS college for let us suppose 8-10 hours, then doing the TIS homework, then doing the UPSC study. So 18 to 19 hours I was working out of 24 hours, and I cleared that year's mains, trust me. Okay, so it depends on you. Yes, Satya Raj.
Hi, ma'am. Good evening. So I just need some kind of guidance since I'll be coming under that quota. So I like the percentage of the cutoff will be very less, and I just need some guidance, kind of guidance from your end. That's what I'm looking for. Yeah.
Even if you belong to a reserve category, you should not say that I will study only this much so that I clear.
No, not like that. Not like that.
So then what is your
like that.
doubt?
Since it's kind of a reservation, so I'm just looking for like how we can just proceed further. Like I'm just doing preparation for past 2 years, and I'm just parallelly working also. So I don't know
What
how.
is your doubt?
No, doubt is like how to crack the prelims and the mains. This is the first attempt after 10 years I'm giving.
See, how to clear prelims and mains.
Yes.
Let us suppose you are not joining this program. Take this schedule.
Okay.
Take this schedule and do these targets on daily basis. Make the notes, do the revision. You will clear. You have to prepare it enough, no?
Yeah, because I'm just pairing almost like if I'm going to office around like morning the 10 and I'm back to 6 now to home, and I have like this time.
Achha,
like
you are
6
working professional.
Yes, I'm working.
See, you have to do the targets. You cannot, I can really understand that working professional will not have the much time, okay? But then you have to push your limits, at least 70% of the daily targets you have to do. And then Saturday, Sunday, you have to pull that target to, cover that weekly backlog. So daily working professional here, please understand, please do not focus on daily targets. Like I am not able to do daily. You focus on weekly. Us week mein jo target hai, that you cover by Sunday.
Okay,
sure. So someday, let us suppose you got over duty and you were not be able to complete like 20% of the target, but next day you got rest and you got half day off, then you will cover the target. So ऐसा करके weekly you focus that you are following the timeline.
Yeah. So the thing what you told about the schedule, right? Is it part of that Telegram group? Because I couldn't able to see that. So
Telegram group means, I will upload after this session on Telegram group.
Sure. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Yeah.
Samarjit, yes. Okay, so Divyanshu is saying, ma'am, can students who already enrolled in some foundation course join Karma Yog batch? Clashing of classes commitment. That is your call, Divyanshu. So last year also many students had this dilemma that 2026 batch student. So they had enrolled into some teaching wala classes, right? So this year I have added that recordings. So recordings will be available. So either you have to follow me and follow their recordings, or you have to follow them and follow my recordings. So let us suppose I am doing GS1 and they are doing GS2. So if you want to do their recording, their classes, you do that classes. And when they are having GS1 classes, simultaneously you cover my recordings, right? Understanding? Or if you want to follow my approach, then what you will do, you will start with GS1, then you will do GS2. And let us suppose their GS, when you are doing GS1 here, they were doing GS2. So their recordings will be available, right? So when you are doing GS2 here, do their recordings. So either you follow me or follow them and follow others' recordings. And if you feel that both of them are not able, you are not able to manage, then learn. Like let us suppose you will learn approach, you will learn perspective, you will learn notes making, you will learn some insights of every subject. You watch that and follow their approach, or you learn from them and follow my approach. So you have to balance. ठीक है? Okay, yes, Samarjit.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay. Satya Raj, I saw your doubt in personal right now. I'll reply. ठीक है? Yes, Samarjit. Simarjit.
Good evening, ma'am.
Simarjit, sorry. Yes, good evening.
मैम जैसे कोई पूरा बैच
हाँ.
नहीं ले सकता, तो जो आपके जब PYQ का लॉजिक थिंकिंग पैटर्न बैच आएगा
Yes.
और करंट अफेयर का बैच आएगा, वो सेपरेटली
चलेगा.
ले सकता है?
Yes, definitely. Let us suppose you are not planning to join the full batch and you are planning to join PYQ LTP. So PYQ LTP will be there, definitely open for all. Prelims
Okay.
companionship will be there, but I am not committing, or I am not sure for answer writing. I am not sure for means module. That I will
No,
not do. But PYQ and companionship prelims will be there.
मैं asking for current affairs notes and
Current affairs prelims notes.
जी.
Don't know if I will launch that batch.
Okay. LTP is confirmed.
LTP is confirmed. LTP recording now also available.
Okay. Live batch will come in December.
Live batch next December.
Yes, ma'am. So I will join.
हाँ, ठीक है. Okay. Any other doubt?
मैम
हाँ, एक मिनट. मैम कैन स्टूडेंट्स हु आर ऑलरेडी, ये तो बोला ना मैंने डाउट. दिव्यांशु, हाँ बताइए.
मैम you showed the breakdown of the whole program now, ma'am, like for mains this much cost,
हाँ.
XYZ this much cost.
हाँ.
So that means we can take individual one also.
No, no, I show you the breakdown because I
Okay.
wanted to believe that what
Transparent,
I'm
yeah.
costing is reasonable.
Yeah, okay,
So
ma'am.
I'm right now not planning to give individual things, but if I do, it will be announced in the Telegram group.
I was asking because I was mainly interested in mains thing, ma'am, because
Actually, Madhu, ऐसा नहीं होता है. Like, if I want to launch a separate thing for mains, this will not be the schedule. Schedule will be different, and I will be doing sessions in one go, and I'm assuming that you know everything of that, and I'm just hand holding for answer writing. Understanding? So
yes, ma'am, yes,
that
ma'am.
between prelims and mains I can do like June and July, but I'm not sure whether I will launch that batch separately. If I have workload of this batch, I will not commit to that batch because my bandwidth is very limited. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
And as I said, in 1 year mentorship, I will take those sessions differently because I know people are coming from expectations that I will teach everything from scratch, and 2027 is there, so timeline is there. But those who are coming between prelims and mains, I will assume that you have everything ready, and I will just tell you ये ऐसे लिखना है, ये ऐसे लिखना है, ये ऐसे लिखना है. And last year I have observed that many, like I had कितना बहुत सारे बच्चे थे कि जो मेंस मेंटरशिप में थे, they were appearing for 2026 mains, and trust me, their notes were not up to the mark. मतलब they struggled like anything to make notes between prelims and mains, and उसी में चला गया, आंसर राइटिंग हो ही नहीं पाया. So
Yes, ma'am. That is the reason I was thinking to take break for
हाँ,
20
so do
pattern
not rush,
and
do
focus
not
on
rush
mains.
between mains. See, if you are not able to join here, join somewhere else, but do an extensive program, understanding, or take an
Okay.
extensive guidance and do it, not for 2 months rush, but for 4 months dedicatedly as you are taking break.
Yes, ma'am. I understand the intention of long duration. What my concern was, in that long duration, can there be focus only on mains? Because I have been continuously clearing prelims, but stagnancy in mains marks.
Whatever structure I have given, that will be things that I will follow. If you want to practice mains more, you can definitely discuss with me like how it is going and what should be the approach and everything that I can do.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है?
Okay.
Okay. Yes. Thank you. Any other doubt? Okay. ठीक है. So I will end this session as most of the doubts are solved. I will upload this PDF and also this recording on YouTube for your reference. You can definitely reach out to Mr. Krishna, right? And admission starts right now. And early bird offer is there till 1st April. After that, some enhanced fees. So think wisely, take your call, and let us start this journey. Wonderful journey, and I'm really, really hopeful that all of you will be there. And trust me, whatever I have promised, more than that only I will give. Last year, trust me, I had not included companionship batch in 1 year mentorship batch, and I gave them. I gave them free of cost because I never want my students to struggle, and I never want them to feel, left out. So I completely offered prelims companionship batch to them. So for me, money is not that much concern, but I really want you to prepare very hard, very quality, very dedicatedly. Okay, and I will try my best. You see if you can do your best. Okay, bye. Thank you so much.